Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add member tag in WhatsApp group chat. Member tag in WhatsApp is simply a name you are known with. So if you don't want to use your real name in a group where you belong, you can just add your member tag in the chat. And this is how to go about it. Go ahead and open the chat just like this. Click on the chat name. Now scroll down the chat name until you get to where you see you, and then click on add member tag. Now go ahead and type in whatever you are known for here. I'm going to say like this. Then click on save. And then after that, you see, instead of showing member tag, it's going to show the new name you added, and everyone will be able to identify you with this particular member tag in their WhatsApp group. And then you are good. So that is basically how to add member tag in WhatsApp group chat. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.